So this is a 2012 Massey Ferguson 7624 Dyna 6. So it's 240 horsepower, 6-cylinder, with a 50k semi-power shift gearbox. It's an efficient spec, equipped with front linkage, showing a few signs of surface rust and some of the grey paint, or a lot of the grey paint, has come off. You've got a roughly 200 kilogram front belly weight, external front linkage control, a hydraulically suspended front axle, pivoting front fenders, the front grille and bodywork's in decent condition, no large cuts or scratches. However, the front grille is showing a lot of surface rust. It's got halogen front work lights. Front tyres are Michelin 480/70 R30s. Approximately 70% tread remaining on adjustable rims. Cab glass in good condition all round. Got diesel and AdBlue. Rear is on a sliding bar axle. Tyres are BKT 620/70 R42s. Approximately 60% tread. No large cuts or bulges. We've got external rear linkage control and external PTO control on the left hand side only. Halogen rear work lights, Cat 3 rear linkage, 4 rear spools, dual control and hydraulic trailer brakes. Rear right hand tyre also BKT 620. No large cuts or bulges, about 60% tread, same as the other side. There's a bit of rust showing by the right hand side step. Got an opening right hand side door. Mirror glass in good condition. Exhaust stack showing some sides of rust at the base. No large dents or scratches. Front right hand mud guard has got a bit of a dent in it. Front right hand tyre also a Michelin 480. So in the cab of this Massey, the trim and plastics mainly in pretty good condition. Couple of minor scratches and tears in places. Passenger seats in good condition. You've got a Grommet air suspended seat, slightly worn. Headlines in good condition, could just do with a quick clean. You've got air conditioning and a Bluetooth radio. 2 fingertip electronic spools, 2 manual spools. T-shuttle for the Dyna 6 gearbox. And it starts and runs well. So this 7624 is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like to come and look at it or you'd like any more information, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.